In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment details on Whop. Getting your payment method set up correctly is important because it makes future purchases and subscriptions on the platform smooth and hassle-free. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, head over to your Whop dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account, and you should land on the main home feed or dashboard page. This is your starting point for managing anything related to your account, including payments. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or image that represents your account. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different options related to your profile. From that menu, click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. The settings area is where you control how your account behaves, including general preferences, security, and billing details. Once you're inside the settings page, look for the section labeled Payment Methods and click on it. This will take you to a page dedicated to managing how you pay for products or services on Whop. On the Payment Methods page, you'll see an option to add a new payment method. Click on Add Payment Method. This opens a secure form where you'll enter your card details. Start by clicking into the card number field and typing in your credit or debit card number. Take your time and double check the digits to make sure there are no mistakes, since an incorrect number will cause the card to be declined. Next, click into the expiration date field and enter the month and year shown on your card. Then move to the CVC or security code field and type in the 3 or 4 digit code from your card. This helps verify that you physically have the card with you. Now, click into the name field and enter your full name exactly as it appears on your card. After that, open the country dropdown and select the country where your card is registered. Then, click into the address line and type your billing address. This should match the address your bank or card provider has on file. When everything looks correct, click on Add to save your new payment method. Once it's added, your card will be available